Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
Can't tell you, you made it because you remember said the wrong thing.
I have steak. I have prepared steak asparagus, and I made a loaded Cajun mashed potato with shrimp. So should I call it shrimp loaded mashed potatoes?
Whatever you want to call it, First Lady.
Cajun, because it is Cajun seasoning.
Yes.
Cajun shrimp loaded mashed potatoes.
Yes.
That's a tongue twister.
Yeah, look good too. Our next beautiful meal from a beautiful person again. You know, I think set already.
That's so sweet.
I'm starving.
I know. Okay guys, before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah. Yeah.
We're back. Hey, I know you like First Lady outfit of the day because I love it. I picked it out. Okay.
All right, honey, we can dig in.
Thank you so much, family. I'm not gonna be talking today. First Lady gonna be talking because hear what? The way I'm so hungry today, I'm hungry till my head spinning.
At least you're not hungry and your belly is growling like my belly the other day.
Family, did y'all hear that? Wow. Coming like something will let loose in First Lady belly.
Something did. Hunger.
Hunger. This is delicious. Is cheese in here? Damn, it's cheesy. Wow.
Yeah, man. You put everything in here.
Look at this, family.
But the kitchen sink.
You can see that, Fred? You guys can see that?
Yeah.
The family can see that. Then, she got the special T-bone. You know?
I sliced it up this time.
And look, I'm gonna get up into it later. It's dripping. I don't want it to drip it. I don't want nothing to waste. Nice.
This is good.
It does taste. I told you it tastes good.
This is good. I put my foot in this. Guys, I had a dream about this. I'm telling you, I dream about food.
She did.
But to be honest, I had another idea. It didn't come out exactly how I wanted to, but this works. But the other idea, I'm going to keep on working on it until I get it how I wanted to get it.
This tastes good. It tastes good, First Lady. Everything you do tastes good. Oh, it's on deck always. You know, it's already done right now. Miss Gina, do me that favor. Holla at Grace and tell her come see the greedy couple. All right? It's almost done. All right. What do you think, First Lady?
The asparagus is nice and crispy.
What are you drinking? Strep?
Shrimp.
Ginger ale?
So you say?
Strep, yeah. I love that. MSR.
ASMR.
Oh. Yo. All right, family. How y'all doing? Today, y'all talk to us, man. We will eat today. Enjoy. First Lady on. Magnificent hand.
The cheese is just like...
Everything is hitting. You're no more cheese than taters. Why is that? Yo, you be holding out your steak. You put some different stuff on your steak. Family, First Lady put some different stuff on your steak, you know?
It's a...
Your steak must taste more seasoned than mine.
It's the same steak, honey.
Your one tastes like filet mignon. Yeah. How you pronounce it?
I'm gonna bite you one day.
Her tastes like filet mignon.
I'm gonna bite you.
Yeah.
It's the same steak.
No man, your one tastes more expensive than mine. I got T-bone. T-bone thing ain't cheap.
That ain't cheap.
Family, this right here.
I'm just looking at it.
Yo, This is good. I am gonna lie. It's cheesy, and it got the seasoning for it. Everything is just hitting one. How you be thinking of these stuff?
Because I had this idea, but like I said, it didn't come out.
You see what happened?
You know, so should I get to fuck?
Yeah. Fart?
It's working.
You know, the idea don't come out, something else come.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
So what I did was...
Yeah, let them know what you did. I'm gonna chill out.
I just got some potatoes. And I baked it. I scooped out the potatoes. Put butter, milk, salt. And I put some, what's that white thing called, my love?
White thing? Sour cream?
Sour, yes.
I'm gonna tell you, I guess me guess it.
Some sour cream. Blend it up.
And you made a masterpiece.
And then I put it back in the oven. Let it get a little bit, you know? Then I sauteed the shrimps with some Cajun seasoning and a little bit of Everglaze.
Have to have Everglaze.
Everglaze, holla.
Holla, Everglaze, holla. You know where we at with that.
And then I put cheese. I had a mixture, like the blend one. And then after I sauteed the shrimp, I put the shrimp on top, put it back in the oven for like 15 minutes just to melt the shrimp. Melt the cheese and get the cheese all brown and crispy. That's it.
Well explained. But listen, nope, there's no recipe on that. This just came off the head. Huh? She think as she go. As you said before, she meant to try something else, but this popped up. I just see it look good.
You guys are probably wondering, how come we haven't been doing any cooking videos?
Right. There's a lot of cooking video for here.
Like how I made this.
Oh.
How I made, what I made the other day that was really good. The lasagna.
Yeah.
Because when I'm making a recipe for the first time, I like to try it out first.
Yes. That's right.
And then when I show you a video, it's perfected.
Yeah.
You understand?
You know they're gonna ask for that video.
And then when I'm making it again, then I will give you guys step by step.
That lasagna was hitting.
It was good. Oh my gosh. I'm not even gonna lie. That lasagna?
The lasagna you made don't make you want to eat the red one no more, right? Your one tastes better than mine. Family, her side always tastes better than mine. Look at it, look at it. I tell you, got for the young, you know? My one different. Yeah. Long time I ain't take some of your food.
That is,
I ain't taking my food in a long time. Family, you see, I ain't taking my food in a long time.
that is true. That doesn't make it right.
Because you be making the food now. Your side be tasting like my side.
Look at your look at
I
the
know.
shrimp.
Look at the shrimp. Show them that thing looks so good up in
Look
there.
at that,
son.
guys. Look at it. 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 Can I see, honey?
Yeah, I can see.
Look at that.
The steak is just
Cajun seasoning is the way to go. I love it. I love the you see how the cheese is crispy on top? That's what I love.
yeah, it is.
That's what I love.
Probably I can see it because I can. Asparagus, you know, a little sauteed.
Crispy cheese? It's really good.
You put crispy cheese?
I'm saying when it gets melted, it gets crispy.
Oh, okay. I can't talk with my mouth full. Extra two first. Right, Bernie? Chew my food. But this I ain't gonna lie. I couldn't wait. I was starving. They say they're doing good. They say, Richie, you're gonna talk. No matter what you say.
That's true.
No matter what you say, Richie's still gonna talk. But this food, look at this. This thing, look at it crisp.
I'm just gonna show it to you.
Look at it crispy. Don't drop it up.
You got a lot of steak, honey.
No, I don't.
You got more steak than me.
No, I don't.
Your steak is more than me, Tamia, and Vincent put together.
My steak is the same amount as yours. Bones don't go anywhere. You sit right there. Sit down there, son. Don't move. Damn. the stuff you think of. And you just flip.
Because sometimes you gotta do something different, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, do something different. You know what I'm saying? Try. If it don't work out, try something else.
Exactly.
But yeah.
It came out good.
This is a bad one. Yeah, you know the asparagus?
I sure am.
I mean, I don't know.
I made a lot of asparagus because we love it. But for some reason, when you buy asparagus and then you cook it, it seemed like there's not enough asparagus. But in the bag or...
Yeah. Oh, it was a lot.
It was a lot.
It was a lot. I ate all of them. How y'all make your steak? So a lot of ways you can make your steak. How y'all do your steak? Let me know. Comment down. You know what I'm saying?
Honey, we gotta buy a grill.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Our grill broke.
Oh yeah, we told them a story about that?
Yeah, we did.
Sit in the backyard too long. Even though we had a couple. Family! Good thing you bring that up. Where you going? Why they make grills, right? Or anything that goes outside. But the cover they have for them is so cheap.
Yeah.
Why is that? Do you have the issue? Because they be making them grills, but the cover them when you buy, as soon as the sun touch them, they tear up.
Yeah.
Let me know.
And
If that's only us.
And then they can't protect the grill.
You can't protect the grill. And also, what you think? They be making these grills now cheap nowadays. They're not strong like they used to before, because only thing you paying for is just the name. Just like regular like clothes and everything, whatever. But the grill them is not strong no more.
No more.
Yes,
You know,
yeah.
if you buy a grill, expect for it to last maybe a year. Or a little bit more.
Yeah. Yeah.
So why buy a $300 grill?
Yeah. And this too, first lady. When you turn on the grill, it burns out the bottom. What's the purpose of the bottom of it?
That happened to us 3 times.
3 times.
Well,
3 times. Yeah.
3 times.
3 times.
3 times.
You know, we turn on the grill and the thing they have on the bottom, it burns it out. What makes sense? That don't make no sense. That's why we had to throw the grill away.
Yeah. Because everything is falling and then
everything is falling. Yep.
It's ridiculous.
So a good grill, man. So we got next grill. It's coming. Then we're gonna do some jerk. I ain't gonna tell y'all, just chill. We're gonna do a lot of stuff on that grill. I'm good on that. What happened? Then you have some more food. So what happened?
Nothing.
Yeah. She took some of my food?
No, I did not.
There was stuff right here. Where it went?
In your belly.
I'm watching that video right now because you be sneaking.
You can watch it. Sure.
Family, what she did? Because I'm seeing when I'm talking, I don't pay attention.
I'm laughing because you said we could do a lot of things on that grill and my mind went somewhere else. That's why I'm laughing.
Does your mind there? Look at freaky mind.
It's the outfit.
Yeah. I know. That outfit right there. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna touch the grill so that I can touch that grill too. You know what I'm saying? Pastor Rich in the building. Okay. Family.
Excuse me, guys.
Ready?
I'm ready like Freddy.
Family, 20 minutes of doing something is more valuable than 20 hours of thinking about doing something.
Ooh.
Did y'all hear what I just said?
Repeat that.
You, everybody listen. Ooh, excuse me. Again. Family, 20 minutes of doing something is more valuable than 20 hours of thinking about doing something.
That was a very good one, honey.
Yes, always, First Lady. You know, I think so. So let me know what that means to you. You know what I'm saying? Put in your own word. Back to the greedy couple now. Damn, this shit good, no? God, First Lady. You could cook, son.
I try. That's what you said.
Yeah, man. You could cook, but too, man. You full?
But maybe I make you.
This bone, I might eat later. Because the last time I ate my bone,
they talk about you.
Yeah, they talk
Yep. Last time you ate your bone, they chat you about you.
Last time I ate my bone, you talk about me, so I don't eat my bone. I felt some type of way. Yep. So now, I eat my bone off camera. It depends how I feel though. But, y'all said, man, he's still on that bone? This is good. How the hell is I was gonna talk? I'm still chatting all damn long.
The whole video.
Can't chat free, man.
Man. It's an Aries thing. I could spot you guys a mile away.
Chatty Richie.
Chatty Aries.
Thank you for putting me on the asparagus, cause this thing tastes good as hell.
You're welcome.
You know what I like? The broccoli now.
Oh, what that?
Them one name broccoli now bitter.
Oh. Broccoli Rob.
Oh, I like broccoli.
My mom loves that thing.
It's bitter.
It's so bitter. One time my mother make now you gonna have me call it broccoli now.
What's that name?
Broccoli Rob.
It's got broccoli Rob?
And she was like, this is so good. I'm like, okay, great. I think she made steak too. Steak with rice or something.
Yeah.
And I'm there like, oh man, this looks so good.
You want that
I bit into it.
Bitter.
Ugh. It felt like I was eating. It felt like I was drinking washout. For all the Jamaican people, I know what washout is.
Single Bible. Not single Bible, but Cersei.
Yeah.
Is that Cersei?
My mother used to. Oh my goodness, my mother. Quick story time too. My mother used to we're Jamaican, of course you guys know that, but Jamaican people have a lot of remedies.
You Jamaican?
And the remedies, I'm not gonna lie, they work. So my mother used to give us washout. That lady used to beat me to drink the washout. I'm like, I'm not drinking it. And she said, okay, I got something for you. How my mother know to do this, I have no idea. In the middle of the night, 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, my mother get up out of her bed, set her alarm, and wake me up. Jeez, drink this, drink. And because you're so tired, and you're a kid, you're so tired, you just want to drink it so you can go back to sleep. So I would be like, drink it, and go back to sleep. Not even thinking, not even worrying about how bitter it is. I just want to go back to bed. She did that to me and my sister. You see, in 4 or 5 hours, man, I jump up out that bed. Because it's a washout. So it cleans you out, get all the, basically it's detoxing. And it's good to do, but it's bitter.
Very. This was delicious.
Can't drink that.
Damn. You got more here?
What?
You got more steak ready?
You want more steak?
Later. I don't care where y'all want to say. I'm eating my bone. You still watching me?
Yeah.
Y'all still watching? What the hell?
When you say stuff like that,
You still watching real?
you make me laugh.
You still here?
I'm still there.
I thought you cut off the camera.
No, I'm still there.
Y'all still here? Calm me down, let me see if y'all was still there. I thought they were gone. I said I'm gonna eat it. They still watching me eat my bone? They said this guy's gotta be killed. They're still here. I can't believe they're still here. Y'all still here? Come on now, cut it out.
The video's over, so I'm surprised they're still here.
I'm saying. The video's done, family. Y'all can stop.
You're not like nobody stopping from yum your bone, huh?
My bone. I might have to, you know how much of the steak costs? The steak was cheap. Expensive meal, you gotta enjoy it. Expensive meal if y'all still here. You gotta enjoy every little bit of it.
It's expensive to be me.
All right, First Lady. Okay. Don't forget to like, we shared, comment, subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that they're
They're not there no more. do your outro. They're not there. They gone. Do your outro, girl.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.
And now I get the number one. Love me. Love.